Welcome to week 6 of my CMIT 454, also known as the CCNA Security. This is using the version 2 curriculum. This week we are finishing up all of our chapter readings, so our last chapter is chapter 11, Managing a Secure Network, and again, review the security paperwork for requirements. Lastly, we have a few discussions. We may or may not be doing the security policy. If you have access to it, do it. If you don't stress over it. The other two discussions are network security testing and security testing tools. We have two labs, layer 2 VLAN security, and we have configuring and verifying site-to-site IPsec VPNs using the CLI. There are one chapter exam. We only have one chapter this week, so it's chapter 11. If you have not completed previous chapters, please make sure to get those done as well. We are almost done with this session. We only have 2 weeks left to go, so hang in there. And if you have any questions, please reach out. I look forward to seeing you in the discussion. And as always, questions, concerns, if you need help, just reach out and say something. I'll help you the best I can. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in the course.